Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about acceleration. What is acceleration? We will learn its definition, then we'll see an example of acceleration. So let's begin. Acceleration is the rate at which an object's velocity changes over time. In simpler terms, it tells us how quickly something is speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. Acceleration can be caused by increasing or decreasing speed or by shifting the path of motion like turning a corner. For example, if a car goes from 0 to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds, its speed is increasing, so it's accelerating.